Hey everyone, this is a very cheap clay tub which I designed with many colors. In this video I'm going to share the steps how I did it, so stay tuned with me till the end. I have had this cup for a very long time, so it was dirty and I soaked it overnight and then cleaned it with soap and water. It was a simple teacup that I found in a tea shop. They were serving tea with these cups. It was so cute that I took it with me instead of throwing it away. Now I thought of to use it as a small succulent tub. I think it will look cute on small succulent or small cactus. Now first I am applying very good amount of white color. The color I am using here is acrylic color. You can also use poster color, which is more cheaper than acrylic. First layer is almost done. Now I will let it dry for 5 minutes, then I will layer it again. I am filling little spot and areas with white color where it's needed. After second layering, I let it dry for about 10 minutes and now it is ready for second step. Now I am applying red color and it is looking like a Japanese flag. One of my friends lives in Japan, so hope she watches this video. The colors that I am using are from Mont. It is the set of 36 colors. The poster color also do a pretty good job, but the poster color is little chalky and less long lasting than acrylic colors. After finishing with the red color, I am now using phthalo green, which is the name of the color. It is kind of greenish blue color. And I'm doing the circle with a round brush. This layering is almost complete. Now I am moving to the second color, which is purple. You can hear the beautiful bird chirping in the background. I shot the video sitting on the balcony, but since my building is next to the road, I get a lot of noise, so I had to turn off the background sound. I touched up the purple color once more and then this tip is done. So I let it dry again for 10 minutes. This is the result after drying it completely. Now you can see how it looks. Now I took a black color and drawing it with number 01 brush. I will now draw here some houses and I will also draw here some leaves with branches. I randomly thought of these designs. You can draw anything you want. You can draw birds, flowers, or cartoon, anything that you want, or you can use any other colors too. But I think the black color looks more saturated and gives an aesthetic look. The drawing is almost complete. Now you can see the result. We added here some cute video clips. This is the final result. I let it dry in the sun for a good 20 minutes. Then I put succulent soil in it and set up a nice cute succulent. This video ends here. Subscribe for the next video. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching the video.